What I'd like to do is take some time to show you this specific chemical storage closet on East Campus. It is a chemical storage closet for organic chemicals, and one of the key indicators that you are at this closet or a chemical storage closet is you have your caution signs. You have your toxic, you have your flammable, you have your explosives, and you have your corrosives. Now what I'd like to do is go inside and look and see if you can find some of the signs and symbols we look for and figure out what type of chemicals we have inside here. If you would, just take a minute to look around the room and see if you can find anything that resembles the labels we looked at earlier, and just take a general look at the room and see what you could figure out that we would have in here on the certain types and classes of chemicals. One of the first indications is we have yellow flammable cabinets here. These flammable cabinets contain flammable chemicals in a variety of mixtures. There's different mixtures or different types of chemicals in each cabinet. What I'd like to do now is show you what is contained in these cabinets. If you look on these cabinet shelves, we have xylene, we have petroleum ether, we have toluene, we have ethyl acetate, we have ethanol down in the bottom left, and we have hexane up here. These are all flammable chemicals. They're all marked, and left in this cabinet is to let us know that they are flammable chemicals. And the cabinet to my immediate right does contain similar type chemicals to it also. Also looking around the room, what I'd like to do is draw your attention to this bottle sitting over on this shelf to your left, my right, and you will see this bottle contains the GHS symbols that we have used before. You can see there's a health hazard, there's a toxicity hazard, the last one looks like an environmental hazard. Directly opposite us, you'll see that we have a chemical with the NFPA 704 diamond on it, which has health in blue, S3, flammability S2, and reactivity is 0. That particular chemical is stored up here because of its nature. It's fairly stable. And last, what I'd like to point out to you in this room is that in this cabinet right here, we have additional bottles that have the GHS labels on them also. You can run across all three types of labeling: the NFPA 704, the GHS labels, and the NFP and the DOT placards that could be on these chemical containers also. So that's basically what we have in this room. This is a unique closet because it's smaller. It's probably one of our older chemical closets, but it's still what you could possibly find in the types of chemicals that you could possibly find in the chemistry lab downstairs and also in the biology labs in this building also.